Do you sometimes carry the weight of your past? Echoes from childhood, family conflicts, or moments when you felt unseen or unheard? Those memories aren't a weakness. They are signals from your mind, gently asking for understanding, care, and healing. This is not just another meditation. It's a story-based journey, a guided path where psychology meets imagination, helping you understand your past, embrace your present, and nurture your inner child. As you step into this meditation, you'll learn to breathe through old pain, offer compassion to the child within, and discover that healing is possible. One gentle breath, one story, one choice at a time. Find a comfortable position, sitting or lying down. Close your eyes if that feels safe, or soften your gaze. I'm Leanna, your guide on this journey to emotional renewal. Let's begin with a slow, intentional breath. Inhale deeply through your nose. Hold for a moment. And exhale gently through your mouth. Feel the tension in your body begin to melt with each exhale. Now imagine walking down a quiet, winding path, the ground soft beneath your feet. Warm, golden light filters through the trees, dancing gently across your path. Take a slow, deep breath in and exhale fully, letting your shoulders soften. Each step draws you closer to a small, glowing cottage, nestled like a secret in the heart of this sanctuary. A place where every part of you is welcomed, held, and honored. Breathe in calm. And breathe out tension. You open the door and see a younger version of yourself, sitting quietly by the hearth. Eyes wide with curiosity, yet clouded with uncertainty. This is the child who learned to be strong before it was safe. The part of you that bore more than it should, carrying invisible burdens alone. Inhale gently, feeling compassion fill your chest. Exhale, releasing any judgment or self-blame. You kneel beside this younger you, and with a soft, steady voice say, I see you. I know how lonely it felt to feel unseen, unheard, or unloved. I honor the courage that kept you going. But you don't need to carry the weight alone anymore. It's safe now. You are safe here with me. Take a slow, nurturing breath in. And exhale, letting the warmth of this connection sink in. Feel the gentle bridge of understanding and care forming between you and this younger self. Inhale fully, letting peace flow into every corner of your being. Exhale slowly, letting go of fear and tension you no longer need. Take one more deep cleansing breath together. And exhale, carrying this sense of safety, love, and calm with you. Now reflect on this truth. Many of your adult patterns, the worry, the overthinking, the self-doubt, are old defense systems designed by a child who simply wanted love. But healing begins when you stop blaming that child and start nurturing them instead. I see you. I noticed the ways you carried so much responsibility, and the quiet questions you asked yourself about why things felt so heavy. Look closely at the choices you made, the patterns you created to protect yourself, and the ways you adapted, even when it was hard to know what was right. Take a slow, deep breath in and exhale, letting yourself witness these truths without judgment. Repeat softly to your younger self. You are resilient, and you have grown so much from all you endured. You faced uncertainty with courage, even when it was hard to see a way forward. You made the best choices you could with the understanding you had, and those choices have shaped your strength today. Inhale gently, inviting clarity and understanding into your chest. And exhale fully, letting these truths settle deeply within. Repeat again to your younger self. I see the fears you carried, and I honor the lessons they taught you. You learned how to protect yourself, and through that, you discovered your inner courage. You are not defined by what happened to you, and every part of you is valuable and whole. Take a grounding breath in and exhale, letting understanding and insight flow through your body. Take another deep, steady breath in and exhale, releasing the weight of old expectations. Take a slow, nurturing breath in and exhale, letting the warmth of love and acceptance fill you. As you look into the younger you's eyes, you notice a shift, a gentle peace returning, like the first quiet moment after a storm. You see the tension slowly melting from their small shoulders, the tightness around their heart loosening, as if a long-held weight is finally being lifted. A soft smile appears, subtle, tender, almost shy. A whisper of relief that says, I'm finally home and I can rest here. The cottage fills with warm, forgiving light, a glow that wraps around you both, embracing every scar, every ache, every part of the past. Inhale this renewal, letting it reach the deepest corners of your being. Exhale the heaviness you have carried for so long, the fear, the worry, and the burden of thinking you must be strong alone. Repeat softly in your mind, I honor the courage it took to survive. I offer myself compassion for all the pain I have carried. I give myself permission to rest, to feel, and to be tender with my heart. I embrace all parts of myself with patience, warmth, and understanding. The weight I once carried alone is shared now. I am supported, I am enough, I am loved. You stand, holding the child's hand gently but firmly, feeling the connection between your past and present, knowing that the weight no longer needs to rest on small shoulders. Together, you step slowly into the sunlight, feeling integration, compassion, and freedom flow through every part of you, whole, healed, tenderly strong, and deeply loved. Take another deep, grounding breath in, and exhale completely. Look again at the younger you, noticing how their shoulders have softened, and how their eyes, once uncertain, now glimmer with curiosity and trust. See the corners of their mouth lift ever so slightly, a spark of hope beginning to shine through. Step closer and offer a gentle, steady smile, feeling the warmth of connection flow between you. Take a slow, nourishing breath in, and exhale, letting warmth and encouragement fill your chest. Repeat softly in your mind, "You are brave, even when you felt afraid. You did what you could with what you had, and that was enough." Breathe in courage, and exhale doubt. Notice the younger you straightening, their eyes widening with quiet confidence, their chin lifting just a little, as if hearing words they have longed to believe. Take a slow, steady breath in, and breathe out any lingering hesitation. Repeat again, "I trust your strength, your resilience, your heart. You are capable of facing challenges and still holding kindness for yourself. Your courage is not defined by never falling, but by rising each time with love. You are allowed to shine, to grow, to follow your own path with confidence." Inhale fully, imagining courage filling your body, and exhale slowly, letting doubt fall away. You reach for their hand and squeeze gently, feeling the courage and hope now flowing between you. Together, you take a small step forward, the sunlight brightening the path ahead, and the child's expression reflecting trust, empowerment, and a newfound belief in their own strength. Repeat softly in your mind, I encourage you, I honor you, and I believe in the light you bring to the world. I walk beside you, confident in who you are and who you are becoming. Take one more deep, grounding breath in, and exhale completely, feeling the empowerment settle fully in your body and heart. Visualize holding your younger self close, embracing them fully, offering warmth, love, and unconditional acceptance. Inhale, letting compassion flow into your chest, and exhale, releasing any tension or self-judgment. Feel the softening of old fears, the easing of tension, as if the weight they carried for so long is now shared and understood. Take a deep, nurturing breath in, and breathe out, letting this relief sink into your body. Repeat softly, together with your younger self. I am not defined by the pain of the past. I honor it, and I release it with love. Take a gentle, slow breath in and exhale, letting this truth settle deep within. I am enough just as I am, and I allow myself to grow, to rest, and to thrive. Inhale fully, feeling acceptance fill your heart, and exhale, letting go of doubt. I embrace all parts of me, my mistakes, my fears, and my courage, knowing each has shaped who I am today. Take another slow, grounding breath in, and breathe out, letting self-compassion flow to every part of you. I offer myself compassion, patience, and understanding, now and always. Inhale, feeling warmth and care surrounding you, and exhale, letting it settle deep into your being. The child I once was and the adult I am today are one, whole, tenderly strong, and deeply worthy of love. Take one final, deep grounding breath in, and exhale completely, feeling this sense of self-acceptance, safety, and renewed wholeness settle into your body and heart. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Gently bring your awareness back to the room. When you're ready, open your eyes. And carry this sense of calm, progress, and renewed hope with you, knowing you are fully embraced, fully supported, and fully enough. Knowing you can return here with me anytime to walk this healing journey again, strengthening your transformation each time.